Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
In today's video, I am going to be doing a winter comfort self-care type haul. So most of these things I actually picked up on Black Friday because I needed some moisturizer, I needed a lip exfoliator, and I needed a powder. So I ended up just doing a haul on beautylish. I love Jeffree Star cosmetics, and this is my first time trying his skincare line. I don't know how it's gonna be just yet because I haven't tried this item yet, but I did pick up some stuff from his skincare line as well, so I'm very excited to show it all to you. I also shopped the Lavender Lemonade collection that was launched back in the summertime. There is definitely some self-care winter type items in this video too. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button below. Let's just look at the packaging, you guys. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So this is the face mask. Definitely wintertime vibes on this one. I know it came out in the summertime. Their logo is actually so cute. It's just a lemonade picture right there. Really cute, and this says, "Hi face mask, how are ya? This calming rinse off face mask rejuvenates, soothes, and hydrates your skin, leaving you renewed day or night." So I picked this up specifically for the winter time. I did get the Lavender Lemonade stuff back in the summer, but I didn't haul it yet, and I haven't used any of it for that reason. I got them for the colder months. I can't really smell anything through the packaging, but the packaging is really beautiful. This is the face mask here, so it does have this little scoop on top, this little star thing. I'm trying to figure out where to put the box. Okay, so it has this little star thing at the top, and this comes off. It's magnetic too, which is awesome, and you basically scoop out the product with that side, and I love that. Love the packaging. Again, it has the Lavender Lemonade little picture there, and it just says Jeffree Star Skin on it. So yeah, very excited to use this. It's been very consistently cold lately, and I haven't done a face mask in a few days, so I might actually try this one tonight. I'm very excited for it. So yeah, that is the face mask. The next thing I got was the face mist. So this stuff I did not get on sale. FYI, I got the rest of it on sale on Black Friday, but this stuff also did go on sale for Black Friday. I think you had to be quick on the draw though, because a lot of their stuff sold out. So this is what the Lavender Lemonade face mist looks like. If you guys know anything about me, y'all know that I love lavender. My walls are lavender. I love the scent lavender. I love the color. It's my favorite. So anything with lavender, London fog, Earl Grey, that sort of thing. That's why I loved the Rocky Mountain soap Lavender Earl Grey, their collection. I loved it so much because of that reason. I just really like lavender things. This is the Lavender Lemonade Sleep Mist, and I think that I might actually use this tonight as well. So this one actually has Lavender Lemonade Extract Blend, which is lemon, lavender, vanilla, grapefruit, and sage extracts. So it just says spray before you want to go to bed or when you just want to relax. So that is that. Very excited. Next up, I have the Lavender Lemonade Repair Lip Mask. So I actually just opened up my Laneige lip mask, the berry one, and so I'm using that at the moment, but after that I'll probably end up using this. Oh my gosh, the packaging on this one is so cute. I love it. I'm super picky with lip masks because like I've tried the ColourPop ones and they are way too sticky and too thick. So if this one can be kind of in the middle of the two lip masks, if it's like sort of like the Laneige one but more hydrating, I would love this. Laneige one is on the thinner side consistency wise, and it's not as hydrating as I want it to be, but I have high hopes for this one. We'll see if it works out for me. And then last but not least, from the Lavender Lemonade collection, I did get the bath salt. So I love taking baths. I love it for like winter time, fall time, anytime when it's cold out. You'll catch me taking a bath with like candlelight. So I did get this. It actually comes in plastic because Jeffree wanted it to be able to be shipped, you know, like internationally, I guess, and not have it break. I can smell this through the packaging and it smells amazing. Oh my God. Oh, it smells amazing. I love it. It's so relaxing. So this is what the packaging looks like. It does have lavender leaves right in the product. I love that. And it does come with this cute little spoon. How adorable is that? I just took a bath last night, so I won't be using this for a bit. But yeah, very cute. So that's all I got from the Lavender Lemonade collection. Now let's move on to the Black Friday goodies. So the whole reason for this haul, this stuff actually took quite long. Surprisingly, it took a little bit over 2 weeks to get to me, and beautylish is usually like really fast shipping, so I was kind of worried that somebody like maybe stole it off my front porch or something like that. Their customer service is great though. They helped me track my items and kind of just like figure out what the whole situation was. But yeah, this took a really long time. Okay, first things first, I picked up some skincare items. So I've been meaning to get a eye cream for a while now. I just have like little samples of eye cream, and I just wanted to have like one that was consistent and that I could use every day versus like samples and like trying new ones all the time. So I decided to try the Jeffree Star one because, you know, I love his makeup products. I love his lip, what are they called? I was gonna say lip kits. They're not lip kits. Matte liquid lipsticks. I love those. So I love a lot of things from his line, and I decided I would, you know, try out his eye cream. So this is the Morning Dew eye cream. I really like this because of the packaging. It's not a product that I'm gonna have to dig my nails into. I really don't like things where I'm constantly like, you know, trying to dig my nails into the product to get it out and stuff like that. Like I don't like that. I have lotion under my nail right now. I'm just noticing it right now. Anyways, yeah, I don't like that. So I decided I wanted something like this, and this was on sale. So I picked it up. I think this was around the $20 price range, which is not bad. Like $20 Canadian on sale. I think their sale was like either 30 or 40% off for Black Friday. So this was a great deal. It has vitamin C in here. There's caffeine, red algae, bar pull, which firms and moisturizes, and intensile anti-wrinkle and lifting. So it apparently also has like a cooling tip applicator, so I can't wait to try this. I'll let you guys know in a future vlog or something if I do end up liking it, or like a favorites video. Next up is something that I've already had, I've already tried multiple times, and this actually wasn't on sale this year, and I actually waited for Black Friday to buy one of these because I was hoping it would go on sale, but it was actually regular price, which is like $16, I think. But it's not bad. Like $16 isn't horrible for the amount of products you get. I've already started using this because I literally was waiting for this to come in the mail for so long because I ran out of a lip exfoliator. So this is the Velour, I always want to say Velour liquid lip scrub. Velour lip scrub in the scent Blue Raspberry Sucker. So this is what it looks like. Well, the packaging anyways. And then the product looks like this. Like I said, I've already been using it. This is actually my favorite lip scrub, and this is my favorite scent. I've tried a lot of Jeffree Star scents. I've been using the Velour lip scrubs for a while. I've been pretty much using these since they came out, and they're amazing. This one is amazing. I just love anything blue raspberry, and that's exactly what it smells like. It smells like a blue raspberry freezy or a blue raspberry slushy. I just love the consistency of this. This one and the Lush one are my favorites. The Lush one is on the drier side. This one is more almost like silkier, if that makes sense. It's more refined. The Lush one comes a little bit chunky sometimes. I love this lip scrub. It works the best. I've tried ColourPop as well, and I don't like it. no hate to ColourPop, but their lip masks and their lip scrubs are not my favorite. Next up, I picked up a Luminous setting powder. I was actually looking for the one that I would normally buy, which is just his matte setting powder, because my skin is oily and illuminating powders and that sort of thing kind of scare me a little bit. And I'm also in the set Rose normally, so I got this one in natural. I'm really hoping for the best. I'm hoping it's not too dark or anything, but yeah, this was their only one that they had left. Everything else was sold out because this was $10. Okay, so the powder doesn't look too dark now that I'm looking at it right now. It doesn't look dark at all, actually. This probably would work for me. So it comes in this packaging right here. It's really pretty, reflective. I love all Jeffree Star's packaging. I think he just does an amazing job. And then the bottom just looks like this. So it's in the color Natural. And I actually just ran out of my loose powder. I've been using the same loose powder for the past 2 years. It's a Too Faced one, and it's been discontinued since then, but it was huge and it lasted me like a good 2 years. I have used the Jeffree Star powders before, the Magic Star powders, and they are amazing. They're really like refined and they feel good on the skin. They're not too heavy or anything like that. And the matte one was like cotton candy scented, so I absolutely loved it. I don't know if this is going to be similar or what, but that's that. I also don't know if his like concealers are ever coming back into stock, because his concealers and his powders are both like always sold out now, and the powders were dirt cheap. Like that was $10 only, $10 Canadian. So I mean, I don't know, if you're in the States, that's a whole lot cheaper. It's probably like $8 or less, I don't know. So next up, I got the Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer. So I went back and forth with this, added to my cart, took it out, added to my cart, took it out. This was $26, okay? So honestly, you're not gonna find a moisturizer, at least a good one, for usually under like $50, $60. So I thought this was a great deal. I think this was around 30% off, and like not only is it reasonably priced, but you're getting a lot. Like this is huge. This is gonna last me a while. It does say it's only 50 ml, which is average size for a moisturizer, but the packaging looks enormous and it's pretty weighty. So in here it just says it hydrates, brightens, and minimizes imperfections, leaving your skin soft and supple with a healthy, radiant glow. There's niacinamide, which is one of my favorite ingredients. Just really like brightens your skin, hydrates it, and doesn't leave it like greasy. So I love niacinamide. It also has squalene, which moisturizes, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It has apple extract, red algae again, rainbow algae. I've never heard of rainbow algae in my life, but Jeffree Star definitely adds like some weird ingredients to his products. Like the new mushroom collection has some kind of like rainbow mushroom in there. I don't even know, but that actually brightens your skin tone by reducing dark spots. I do have like dark spots around my skin and stuff like that, which I hate. It's from like old acne scars, and I also have freckles that are annoying. So if I could figure out how to open, there we go. I just thought this was such a good deal and I could not pass it up. I'm really hoping that it's gonna work out for me. The packaging is insanely gorgeous. Like the presentation of this whole thing, it's like in a jewelry box almost kind of thing. The inside is super padded. It literally looks like a jewelry box. Like the inside has that foam so it's not gonna break, and this is the packaging. I think this is glass, I'm pretty sure. Some ASMR moment. I think this is glass. It is amazing. Like this does not look like it would cost $26. This looks like it would cost like $100 or like something like that. I don't know. Like my Tatcha cream that I normally use, that's like $95, and it's not this insanely beautiful package. Like look at that, it's amazing. So he had a couple on beautylish that were on sale, this one and the banana souffle one. I don't know if there's another third one of these, but I ended up picking this one based on the ingredients and stuff like that, the apple and the algae. I decided to get this one over the banana souffle one, or I'm pretty sure I might have added the banana souffle to my cart as well and it sold out right away. Something like that, but this is insane. This is insane. I love this packaging. Currently at the moment, I am going through my samples. I'm using the Laneige Water Bank cream right now, and so far so good. I've only used it for a couple days now. I used to use their Water Bank gel cream, so I wasn't sure how the moisture cream would work, but honestly, it is so cold here right now, you guys. It's like minus 35 outside, which is ridiculously cold. I'm sure most of you don't know what minus 35 actually feels like on your skin, but it's not a great feeling. So I need something really, really hydrating on my skin right now, and the Laneige one is working so far, but I just have a lot of like minis and sample sized moisturizers that I need to go through before I start using this, but I don't currently own a full-sized moisturizer, so I decided to pick this up. Oh, I got one thing that was a sample that I was really excited for too. That's why it's in here. So they gave me, it's like an almost full-sized lip balm. So this is by Terry, Balm de Rose crystalline bottle. It's like this. It's by Terry, and this is the mini To Go lip balm. It's like a liquid lip balm. Ooh, I don't like the color. Don't like the color very much. It's like a milky, almost white color. But I mean, I'm hoping that this goes on clear and it's fine. But yeah, like this is almost full size, I would say. Like this is a good amount for a sample. So yeah, very excited to use that. I hope it smells like roses. But yeah, that is all that I got from Beautylish and Jeffree Star and the Black Friday sale. So that is pretty much it for this haul. I really do hope you guys enjoyed my self-care haul for winter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you are not already subscribed. Bye.
I let you in deeper than I let